What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. I'm back with another video today. I'm actually pretty excited to unbox this. Some of the squad got these shoes for me the other day on a shop drop, and this is the first one I was able to get in my hands today. I'm a little under the weather. I didn't go to work yesterday, so I should have picked them up. But I'm excited to open these, and I need to get this video out today because these drop tomorrow. Before we go any further, we need a word from our sponsor. Atticus, who's our sponsor?
Jesus.
Jesus. We're going to go way back. Not way back, but kind of back. And this is the Old Testament in Job 9. If you don't know, do you know anything about Job?
Nope.
Job is a man from the Old Testament that was a man after God's heart, but God let Satan, the devil, ruin his life for the most part. And so if you read a lot about it, it's like, man, why would God allow this kind of stuff to happen to somebody? Well, Job actually knew why, and he's going to talk about it here, and then it's going to be foreshadowing something in the New Testament. When I can connect something pretty clearly from the Old Testament to the New Testament, it makes me happy. It's like a nugget that I was able to find, and here it is. So this is Job chapter 9 verse 33, and this is Job's words. He says, if only there was someone to mediate between us, someone to bring us together, someone to remove God's rod from me, so that this terror would frighten me no more. He was going through a lot. He had everything that he had in his life taken away from him, and he had no health. His health was taken away from him. It was bad. And he says, if only there was somebody to mediate between us and bring us together and remove God's rod from me. And then, if we look at 1 Timothy 2, it says, for there is one God and one mediator between God and mankind, the man Christ Jesus. Jesus is here to be the mediator that in the Old Testament, stuff that was written way before Jesus was born, Job was referring to. If only there was a mediator. And that just connects everything in the Old Testament, so old, stuff that it's sometimes why are we even reading this? It's all pointing toward Christ. And when you can see those fingers or arrows or whatever you want to call them pointed toward Christ, it's just a nugget that I really enjoy finding. And this actually came from a devotional I was looking at that was kind of a side point, but that was the point that really hit home for me. All right, let's take a look at this shoe. I've got a couple other threes out. Do you know what Jordan 3 this is called?
No. Fire
Red. It has a Nike Air on the back. When the Jordan 3 has the Nike Air on the back, do you know what that means?
No.
It means that it's an OG. This is an original colorway that Michael wore in 1988. You know what this is called? Jordan 3 what? We made this video just a couple weeks ago.
Starts with an A.
I'm on the air.
I'm on the air.
Do you know what that Nike Air on the back means?
He didn't. Oh, it's his buddy who.
No.
Or his friend.
No. What it meant on this one is that this is an original colorway. The original colorway is from the 80s, or from whatever decade the shoe was made or originally made. They leave the Nike Air on it. This is just a collab. Collabs, most of the time, they'll put the Nike Air on them. This is a pretty nice one. I'm considering keeping this, but I may not after I open this. I'm probably not gonna keep the While You Were Sleeping Jordan 4, even though I just like that more. So I really like Jordan 3s. This is a Jordan 3. This shoe comes out tomorrow. You've already probably seen it from the thumbnail if you know what the box is. I really like Jordan 3s. Jordan 3s are probably my favorite Jordan to wear. 11s are my favorite silhouette, but 3s are probably my favorite to wear. Up here in the nicer area, we've got Jordan 3 Tinker. That's behind the Lego. Jordan 11. I wear those a lot. I actually haven't worn these as much as I thought I would. I can't even remember what those are called, but I do like those Jordan 3s. And then back here, we got the White Cement Reimagined, which is also an OG colorway. It has the Nike Air on the back. Desert Elephant, don't wear those that much either, but I do really like those. Anyways, I am absolutely keeping these. There's no question that I'm keeping these. We got Trent's pair too. I'm not going to open these. When they got delivered the other day, I walked in, I was like, Trent, this box is for you. And he just ran out. I should have gotten this recording. He's like, give me the box. And I was like, but you can't open them. So I'm going to open these, and then we'll open these when he gets here and show that we've got more twinning. Just to give you the quick rundown of the current twinning situation with me and Trent, what do we have? We have Jordan 4 Bread, we have Jordan 11 Gratitude, and Jordan 4 Military Blue that we are currently twinning right now in his size. I think he's wearing a 6, I think 5 or 6. Then we've got a 7 in the Travis Scott Canaries. He's also got a 7 in these Travis Scott Olives, which I don't have, but I got a couple other Travis Scotts that I can twin with him to be close enough. Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows. And then we got these. I can't remember what size this is, but we'll figure it out in a minute. So let's go ahead and open this pair. I'm also kind of excited to see this because supposedly there have been some quality concerns with these. Some people have crap pairs, some people don't. Hopefully this is not a crap pair. But I also haven't seen a whole lot. I haven't seen really in-depth reviews of these. I haven't watched much. But what I have seen, I really like. And these might be my favorite Jordan 3s now. It'll be tough for them to beat the Tinkers as far as a pair to wear. And these have been in the box almost the whole time. I have never worn these. Probably will, and I also probably won't get rid of them, even if I don't wear them anytime soon, because I really like that shoe. All right, let's see. This is the Air Jordan 3 Retro Black Fire Red Cement Gray, and this is dubbed the Black Cement. So we got the white cement reimagined. Why? I've got one more reimagined shoe here in this this stack that I need to do an unboxing. I haven't really looked at it in depth myself, and talk about more about reimagined. It's like, why would we really want these reimagined like this, that are made to look like they're aged? Doesn't make any sense, because I can just buy a pair on StockX that's old and it's really aged. Similar to these, we get this little insert. This has some of the tech specs. You see?
Yeah.
Okay. We get elephant print paper, white paper, and there they are. What do you think?
I can't see them just yet.
Huh?
I'm not seeing them just yet. Yeah.
Yeah? So do you remember the A Ma Maniére 4s that you liked better than these? Are these better than the A Ma Maniére 4s?
I don't think so.
I'm getting rid of the A Ma Maniére 4s. I really don't like those. It sucks that they've tanked in price, though. But let's see. One of the things, so I do watch Mike Rich. He did an in-depth video on these. Oh yeah, these are nice. He did an in-depth video unboxing and review on these, and I didn't watch much of it. But on his video yesterday, I think, which was 2 days before the release, he was talking about this crispy white midsole. We like crispy white midsoles. This is clean, right?
Mm-hmm.
It comes out crispy white. Why do we want Reimagined that comes out already yellowed? I don't know either, but who knows? The big question for me here, I mean, this is really nice. I like the shape of it. Shape looks good. I still don't think this is OG shape, but I like the shape of it. I like the colors. This black leather is really nice. All of this leather is really nice. I like it better than this. I like it better than that. Maybe not better than the Tinkers as far as the leather goes. We're close.
I actually do think that I do like them better.
These?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We get the Nike Air on the back. I really like the white Nike Air on the black, mostly black shoe. I think this pops a lot more than the black on this. You can kind of see that. You can see it right at it. Yeah. I like that better. So I like the way this pops so much better.
Look at the bottom.
Bottom. Yeah. Standard bottom for a Jordan 3. Nothing really major there. What I do like, not what I do like. What I am thinking about though is I can't remember what size I got for Trent. And I think I probably got him an 8, which means he can't wear his right away. Which means I won't be wearing mine right away. He doesn't need another pair of shoes right now though, like to wear now. And he's got 2 in the next size 7. Those are size 7, so I'm pretty sure I got him an 8. Maybe we'll just have to wait, or maybe he'll just wait and I'll go ahead and un-DS mine, because I just haven't been un-DS and stuff without him, but I can, right? Or should I just keep it real and not un-DS them? Un-DS them means wear them for the first time.
I think you should wear them.
I'm a little under the weather. I'm going to talk about this a little bit more in the video that I'm about to record that you might see. This video is going out today, but you might see the next one maybe next Wednesday or so, Tuesday. But I'll talk more about that in that video. I can't really smell. You're a little congested now too, aren't you? Even though you just got done taking medicine. Another thing I saw about these is that this elephant print is very light. It is very light compared to this. One of the differences that I prefer in this is that the crackly looking stuff, the debossed, I'm pretty sure the darker gray is debossed, it's definitely debossed here, is thinner, which I think is part of the reason why it's lighter. I think that the embossed side that's out, that's lighter gray, is actually a lighter gray than this, but there's also less of the dark gray because it's such a thin crackle. Or I almost think it's kind of like wrinkles on the outside of your skin. That's why it's called elephant print, because elephants have like wrinkles all over them, right? Wouldn't you say that, Atticus?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I like this thinner one, and I think this is more OG, but I don't have anything really old, any threes that are really old to have any comparison to. Those white ones, you don't remember what those white ones are called?
No.
They were, I can't remember even the term for that type of a Jordan 3. There's 4s that are like that. It's kind of like a Jordan 1 Zoom Comfort, whatever. Those are a little bit thinner too. Those are, the back is thinner, not thinner, but the front is, I don't know. I've also got Jordan 3, the good Jordan 3 Element up there that I haven't worn. You see those in the tub, right?
Barely.
Barely. I also may never wear those, and I also may never get rid of them. So, but I really like these. Like, there's just enough red on this that it drives home the Bulls, but not so much red like this that is just a red that I don't normally wear. Like, red is not a color that I wear a lot of. So this can go with 0 red. Well, that kind of needs a little bit of red in what you're wearing, and there's just a lot of red there, which, like I said, I don't wear that often. But when I compare these two, yeah, I like the suede on this, but this upper leather, way better. So if y'all are going for these tomorrow, or if you're thinking about going for them, they're better than this. Overall, better than this. Better than the fire red. Better than the white cements. I really like the colorway on these, on the Desert Elephants. I like the brown, like rawhide type leather with the elephant print. But this is really nice. You like this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is really nice. So if you're on the fence and you're watching this video trying to decide if you're going for these tomorrow, go for them. So now the next question though is, are these going to sell out tomorrow? I need to look actually and see what the price is on StockX right now. Keep talking as I go through this. I know that I hit 2 size 11s on the Shock Drop and Trent's, and that was only with 3 accounts. So they are not that hard to get yet. Although what we're hearing is that Nike pulled back production on these significantly, which I think is probably something we're going to be seeing from them a lot, because their shoes aren't selling out. Most of them aren't. And a Jordan 3 maybe typically wouldn't go for a whole lot over retail, but they should, especially a black cement like this, should sell out. I think this is a better colorway, in my opinion, than the white cement reimagined, especially because that's reimagined, but also because I think it's just a better colorway to begin with. But this is more true to the OG, maybe not in shape exactly, but at least as far as color goes, because it's not a reimagined color. The resale price on this right now is $223 was the last sale, and it's maybe a little bit higher than that on average for more sales today. There's a lot of sales though, which means there's a lot of demand for these, but they are going to release tomorrow, and I don't think you're going to have a problem picking up a pair. They're probably going to sell out in the bigger men's sizes by the end of the day, but definitely kid sizes are going to be sitting around. I don't think you're going to need to worry about not being able to pick up one tomorrow. I got offered JD exclusive access several days ago after I hit on these, which I didn't need because I already got 2 pairs, and then another exclusive access probably on the ones to be mailed, not the ones to pick up in the store. I got offered that again today, just the day before the release. So I think you're fine on plenty of pairs of these, but if you need a bigger men's size, like 10, 11 and up, you need to go for them as soon as you can tomorrow. I highly doubt they're going to go on sale. The tongue is really nice on these too. I don't really like the way they're laced. They're laced really tightly, but I mean, obviously when I put them on, I'll loosen them up a little bit. Let's see, one more thing here. We do not have a nice insole. I think this is going to come out just fine. I think this is a Dream Cell. It's a Dream Cell. What do these have? I think these had a polyurethane, and if they do, I'm going to put these in here. I'm going to wear them. So these are going to be a little bit more comfortable and also make them fit a little bit more snug. These fit a little bit big. So hopefully, and I think I might have gotten a 10.5 as well in another size. Yeah, look at that. They're about the same. Hopefully these aren't too big. Those are just a little bit too big, so I do have to tie them a little bit tighter. Cinch them up a little bit for them to not move around on my foot. But hopefully these won't be like that, and if they are, I don't care. So I'll go ahead and close the video out, although you'll still get a clip of Trent unboxing his. I'm going to put this back in the box so that we can both open our boxes together. And I'm not sure if he really realizes that he's twinning with me. Do you know, Atticus?
Maybe.
Maybe? Yeah, maybe. Like, when I put my shoes down on the floor downstairs, I'll take them down from up here, put them on the floor, and he's like, handing them to me. He's got his shoes right there. I think he understands, but he doesn't really talk about it. Like, we're wearing the same shoes. But he probably does understand. So tell your grandma about the Jordan 3 Black Cement, not reimagined. Thank you, Nike, for not reimagining these and just giving us the OG form. Tell your grandma about this little baby shoe we're going to unbox in here in just a little bit. You're going to see this right afterwards. Comment down below, tell me if you think these are going to sell out or if you think they're going to go on sale, because I don't think they're going to go on sale. And whatever else you got on the Jordan 3 reimagined or on Job and our mediator, Jesus Christ. Thanks for being here. Smash that like button, comment down below. I'll see you next time.
Ching.
All right, we are back. Trent is here. He looks like he just woke up. His face is a little bit red. Hey, we're going to open your shoes. You remember when you got this box and you were so happy? What does that say? It says 4204, I think. But it looks like hooch in this thing. All right, look. I'm going to open these up. Wow, it is a size 8. So he's not going to be able to wear this for maybe another 6 months or so. You want to open it? Let's take this off. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Here. Here. Let's see. Wow.
What's that?
Jordan 3 Black Cement. What do you think? What do you think? Smell it. Smell yours. Uh-oh. Here, smell it. Cough in it. Smell it. Does it smell good? Jordan 3 Black Cement, bruh. This is Daddy's. This is Trent's. What do you think? He's like, let's look at all the other shoes in here. Those are penny ones. Here. Wow. I actually didn't take these out. This other pair, this other one of the pair, I need to check it real quick for flaws. We're good. I think this one's pretty good. Jordan 3 Black Cement. These are huge. He's not gonna be able to wear these forever. Maybe I should return those and get a smaller size for him to wear now.
Most likely.
Okay, most definitely. All right, we got to get a different size. Okay, we're gonna have to send these back. You can't have them.
Or you could just put them on his feet and then walk around with big feet.
Big feet. I don't think it changes the size of your feet. Let's see. Hey. Say yeah. So fresh and so clean. You want to put this one on? You used to walk around with my boots on.
I remember that.
You do?
Yeah.
Your boots that I got for you to twin with me, like you twinned with me before Trent was anywhere close to being born. You were like Trent's age. Do you know we still have those boots?
Yeah, they're back there in Mom's room.
In Mom's room, yeah. All right. Hey, all right. You like them? I think we're going to have to twin these earlier because I don't want to wait a year for me to wear these. All right. Tell your grandma about the Jordan 3 Black Cement. We're getting a smaller pair for him. Maybe we'll just keep this pair too.
Yeah. Buy another pair.
Why not? Let's just get another one.
Yeah.
I mean, what's another pair, right?
Yeah.
All right. Smash that like button. I'll see you next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Choose.
Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.